Hello brother. Today I have been just completed economy subject, the chapter called Basic Concepts of Economy. Here is the question as well as of their solutions. Let's begin. Mixed economy means what? Answer is coexistence of public and private sector. This is called mixed economy. The economies that consume their industrial production on their own are called subsistence economy. That means a country which producing all the productions and they utilizing their own. So this is called subsistence economy. Have a look over here. A subsistence economy is an economy directed to basic subsistence, the provision of food, clothing, shelter, which these are the basic things. Okay, so rather than to the market, the economic surplus is minimal and you only used to trade for basic goods. For like vegetables is coming in your streets, for these are the basic goods. In a subsistence economy, the economies consume the industrial production on their own. So this is the correct answer. In a centrally planned economy, the government plans all the important activities in the economy. This is very realistic. Government plans all the important activities in the economy by centrally planned economy. Free market economy falls under the category of what? Answer is capitalism. So let's learn about what is capitalism. Capitalism, the free market, is an economic system based on supply and demand with little or no government control. Free markets are associated with capitalism. So this is the answer. Capitalism is an economic system based on private ownership of the means of production and their operation for profit. What does parallel economy means? It means just a black money, not so much. The parallel economy is based on black money or unaccounted money. Okay, black money is defined as assets or resources that have neither been reported to the public authorities at the time of their generation nor disclosed at any point of time during their possession. The closed economy is the economy in which answer is there is no foreign trade, there is no imports, no exports. For example, the countries like Morocco, Algeria. Actually, the very good answer of this question is there is no a single country exist where there is closed economy, where there is no foreign trade exchange. Okay, let's going for the next question. Take off stage in economy.